thank you everyone who all, gave a standing ovation to Mr. Sonu Sood when he was walking up the stage. He deserves all of it. So I want to ask, how many of you visited Assam? Just raise your hand. How many of you visited Assam, even once in your life? How many of you visited Silchar? How many of you visited Silchar in Assam? In a room of 500 people, I have 3 of us. So you go any further from Silchar, you reach Bangladesh. That's where it is. And this brings me to my first question, actually. Can I have the ticker on? Yeah. So it was in the month of, I think, June. A flight from Mumbai ended up reaching Silchar in Assam, where I come from. And we were very, there is no direct flight from Mumbai to Silchar for any of you to go. So who is this man sending a flight filled with 180 passengers? And, this is a video that I have. We'll just play it. Yeah, this one. So, when we fix this, want to ask you, what prompted you to get into this act? I mean, you are a real-life villain. We know you as playing someone great villain characters on screen, and then you suddenly become this philanthropist who is sending people saying "Ghar bhejo." So, what prompted you to get into this action?
First of all, thank you so much for all the love, and it really means a lot. God bless you. Thank you so much. सर माँ बाप ने तो हीरो ही बनाया था, इंडस्ट्री ने विलन बना दिया और ऊपर वाले ने वापस हीरो बना दिया. So I remember when, sorry sir? Yeah, thank you so much sir, thank you. So when I came to Mumbai, I never thought that I'll play a negative role, but when a director offered me, they say, beggars are not the choosers. So I thought, let me start my journey as an actor. I never knew a single soul in the city, but that film did pretty well, and that's just how the journey of playing negative roles started. But like I said, I always believe that being a part of a big budgeted film with a big banner was something that I was always wanting to do all my life. And, during COVID, I realized that how important it is that, if you bring a smile on an unknown face, you be someone's hope, which is much, much bigger than any 500 crore or 1,000 crore box office number. So I think... So that's what an awakening happened in my life, and I'm glad that, somewhere my parents sitting in the heavens must be guiding me right in life. Still miles to go, but the journey's on.
Yeah. These smiles that you brought to people's faces, do they still remember you? Do they still send you messages saying, remember you saved me from this danger, you sent me to home?
Yeah, of course, I met so many people, I get letters from them. I still have that mobile number. The first, when mobiles were introduced in this world, I still have that number. And it's the same number that I used in the COVID time, and most of the people have it. On my contact list, they are saved as, liver transplant 1, migrant Bihar 1, migrant Bihar 2. I don't have their names, but I still get those messages. The surgeries that we did, the children that we saved, in the surgeries, they cut their birthday cakes with my picture, and they send me, they have grown up now, and I feel happy that, I'm a part of a family. It's not important whether I meet them or not.
Yeah.
I bumped many of them at the airports or sometimes when I travel. So I feel, I must be living somewhere in some corner of their hearts, which is, I think, more important than meeting them. Yeah.
Great. It won't be only me asking questions to him. I request all of you to join in. Raise your hand. We'll have the microphone to you. And then you can ask your question while the conversation goes. At least by doing this, I'll have some of you away from your phone for the next 40 minutes. That's the idea. But yeah, let's see the video. I think it's up. This is the flight that I was talking to you about. This is the flight that's going from Bombay to Silchar on 9th of June, if I don't remember, if I don't forget the date. Was this the first flight that you had sent?
Yeah, that was the first flight, yeah.
And how many flights did you send throughout the COVID period?
I don't remember the exact numbers, but I think close to 14 or 15 flights in different parts of the country. Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you. You know, he's also an engineer, by the way, and we are in a room filled with engineers. So it's your tribe to your tribe. But from engineer to acting, from acting to philanthropy, talk to us about these journeys that you have had.
You know, I always believe that, you know, destiny brings you to the place you belong. My father had a cloth showroom in Moga. My mom was a professor. She always taught me one thing, that, you know, it's not important whether you join your father's business or you want to do something else in life, but always, you know, try giving back to the society. She was a professor. She always taught kids free of cost all her life. My dad, in front of his shop, he used to have that langar. You know, in Punjab, we have that langar serving puris and chanas or, you know, halwas. So as a kid, I always used to be a part of that. And, you know, when we used to serve and see people smile with that small gesture, I used to wonder कि यार इतनी बड़ी बात तो की नहीं ना, थोड़ा सा खाना दिया, इतने खुश क्यों हैं? But now I realize how it happens when you try to help someone you don't know. And now, you know, I'm blessed that, you know, somewhere I could do what, you know, was meant to happen. And, you know, it was not just COVID now. In fact, now also when I meet people and I try to do whatever little I can for them. So I feel more happy than to be on a movie set. But with these guys, I feel more at home with them, yeah.
But आपने movie set अभी तक छोड़ा नहीं है. I want to take a question from the audience. Any question? Yeah, gentleman here raised his hand. Can we please have a microphone to him? Yes, sir.
Hi, sir. Thank you.
Debuted in South Indian movies. I wanted to talk about how did that happen? I mean, Bombay to aage. I think you started in Tamil and Telugu.
Yeah, I started in Tamil, sir. What's your good name, sir?
Vinod.
Vinodji. So I remember, you know, I had a pager at the time. So suddenly a message flashed on my pager. Are you interested in doing a South Indian movie? So I said, superb, yeah. So I just took the train, went to Chennai. There was a guy who came on his small bike. He picked me from the railway station. I went to Vijay Vahani Studios in Chennai. And, you know, there was some set, some shoot was happening. That was my first time I could see some movie thing happening. So I was standing in one corner alone. And so the producer came. I remember it was Pankaj Productions. Henry sir was the producer. And he said, Ki, you know, just go and wait in a makeup room. So I went to the makeup room. And this is the first time I saw that makeup room of a movie set, you know, with a high-rise chair. And so I said, this word is beautiful, you know, and I'm glad that it's happening in my life. So the producer came and he said, sir, it's an action movie. आपका body shot तो अच्छा है, sir. आप t-shirt निकाल के बताएंगे क्या? So I said, अच्छा sir. तो मैंने फटाफट t-shirt निकाला, you know. अच्छा, very good body, sir. You're doing the movie, sir. Wear your t-shirt back. So I wore my t-shirt back and said, कि picture मिल गया क्या? You know, अच्छा. Then I went and he said, कि sir, you're doing this film, and they gave me a check of $10,000, and he said, कि sir, the movie starts next month. So this is how it happened. I never knew it was so fast in life, and. From there, you know, second Tamil film, third, and then Telugu happened, then Hindi films happened. So I think every film was a step ahead to convince other producers that this guy is worth staying here. So this is how the journey started. So
great, fantastic story. I mean, t-shirt nikalna was an idea that you just gave us. You don't get surprised if somebody from here say that can you do it again. But yeah, what I want to know is, you know, आप जब इतने लोगों को help कर रहे थे, there must be some cases where you were encountering कि I wish I could help that person too, because I understand there were thousands of people, you know, you were reaching out to, and they were reaching out to you on Twitter and messages and WhatsApp, and then you were helping a few of them. But how did you deal with that, you know, feeling that I wish I could help one more person or 5 more people?
You know, the beauty of the whole journey was, now when I speak to you, I remember I hardly slept for weeks or months in that period, and I never got tired. I never felt a week of sleep. यार थक गया हूँ, नींद आ रही है कुछ. 22 hours, 23 hours, you are out on the roads, railway stations, platforms, airports, and you could never get tired because you were always connected. So the body never wanted कि जा बेटा जाके सो जा, because my phone was ringing in the middle of night. कई बार रात को अगर एक आध घंटा आप लेटे भी हैं तो अचानक एक फ़ोन आता था और पता नहीं किसका फ़ोन आ रहा है और बोलता है कहा भैया आप बोले थे कि कल भेजेंगे गाड़ी, तो हम तो वेट कर रहे हैं सर, आपका गाड़ी नहीं अभी लगा. तो मैं कहा सर भाई कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं? सर हम जाना है, हमें बिहार जाना है. तो मैं बोला कि वहाँ की परमिशंस आ रही है, एक दिन और दीजिए. सो जिस कॉन्फिडेंस से लोग पूछते थे, उनको ऐसा था, हक था, अरे भैया भेजना आपका काम है, क्या कर रहे हो? सो आई थिंक दैट गेव मी दैट पावर कि यार बॉस करना है, हाँ एक्चुअली मेरा काम है, मुझे करना है. बट इन द होल प्रोसेस समटाइम्स यू कम अक्रॉस दोस केसेस वेयर थिंग्स डोंट हैपन द वे you want it. I remember in Bihar, I still remember this gentleman who was he was an IAS officer, Mr. Tidar Mare sir. He was a great guy. So उस समय बिहार की ट्रेन्स की परमिशंस नहीं मिल रही थी मुंबई से, बिकॉज मुंबई वाज वाइडली अफेक्टेड विद कोविड, तो बॉम्बे की ट्रेन की परमिशंस ही नहीं मिलती थी. तो इफ इन केस यू वांट एनीवन टू गो बोर्ड ए ट्रेन, सो देयर वाज अ परमिशन ऑफ 1155 पीपल. 1155 लोग एक ट्रेन में बैठ सकते हैं, एंड यू हैव टू गेट एवरीवन्स कोविड टेस्ट डन. हर किसी के आपके पास डिटेल्स होने चाहिए. देन यू गिव टू द रेलवे अथॉरिटीज, आप उनकी टिकट्स खरीदते हो, फिर उनको देते हो, फिर जाती है टिकट. पर मेरे पास जब आते थे, they used to close to 5,000 people, 6,000 people standing, and everyone wants to go, and I don't know anyone by their face. Ki who's Ramu and who's Shamlal, and they said ki sir hum to chad rahe hain train pe. And when I used to reach the station, there were 4,000, 5,000 people, and I remember calling Tita Mare sir, इनको भेजना ही है. ये सोनू तू तो ऐसे बात कर रहा है जैसे तेरी फैमिली ट्रैवल कर रही है. तो मैं क्या सर फैमिली ही ट्रैवल कर रही है, आप ये सोचिए. बट get those permissions, and we got those permissions, and when we reached the station, the GRP guys were there. TT की नहीं सोनू भाई 1155 लोगों की परमिशन, आप 3,000 4,000 लोग नहीं चढ़ा सकते. सो आई रिक्वेस्टेड कि सर आप जरा 5 मिनट उधर बाथरूम जाइए, मैं चढ़ा दूंगा सर, चुपचाप चढ़ा दूंगा, आपको टेंशन मत लीजिए. सर नौकरी चली जाएगी मेरी. सर क्या करते हो? एंड दे ऑब्लाइज्ड. वो 5 मिनट के लिए बाथरूम गए, और वहाँ से 1155 नहीं 3,000 4,000 हज़ार लोग भी चढ़े. सो आई थिंक दैट होल प्रोसेस was very special. So it was not just my journey. I think every small constable who was there at the platform, those TTs, those people who gave those authorities or who helped me get them boarded on those trains, I think those were the real heroes for me. Correct. Who became a part of my journey, and I could send so many of them. Yeah.
Correct. Can we play the video?
2 महीने से कुछ काम धंधा है नहीं, तो उन्होंने हम लोग के लिए कुछ पैसे के बंदोबस्त किए हैं.
हर बस वाले बंदे को बोलो एक पानी का खाने का सब रखवा लेना अपने आप.
बस्ती का आदमी सब उधर चलो. बस्ती वाले? हाँ बस्ती वाले उधर चलो.
चलो आप लोग किधर जा रहे हो? बस्ती ना सारे. सर मधुबनी वाले क्या? ऑल द बेस्ट.
अपनी फैमिली के साथ हम यहाँ फंसे हुए थे, अब जा रहे हैं.
Reach their home safely. Hello. And God bless, and घर भेजो. बहुत सारे लोग घर भेज रहे हैं.
हम लोग घर जा रहे हैं. इतने दिन से यहाँ पे फंसे हुए थे.
नहीं बैठे.
मेरे गाँव भेजने के लिए धन्यवाद.
देखिए, थैंक यू सो मच.
बाय बाय.
आज जब आप ये सोनू भैया की जय सुनते हो, कैसे लगता है आपको?
I don't know whether I deserve so much of a love or not, but I feel blessed. It makes me remind those lines which my mom used to say कि अपनी जिंदगी की कलम में दुआओं की स्याही डाल ले, फिर देख तेरा नाम पन्नों पर नहीं आसमान पर लिखा जाएगा. So I think it's happening. I don't know how it's happening.
Fantastic. When you were doing this, great work that we all today look back and say it was amazing, and it is indeed amazing. There were some people who were questioning your intent, right? आपके ये सवाल उठ रहे थे कि आप ये ऐसे चीजें आप क्यों कर रहे हैं? एक सरकार को नीचा दिखाने के लिए कर रहे हैं, या दूसरे किसी पार्टी की हित में जाके कर रहे हैं? How did you manage to keep your motivation on that? No, I'm set out to do something. I'll continue to do and not get distracted by the noise around me.
It's always bound to happen कि जब भी आप कुछ काम करने लगते हो तो लोगों के सवाल ज़रूर उठते हैं कि यार ये कहाँ से आ गया अचानक, उसके दो तरीके हो सकते हैं, या तो आप काम बंद कर दीजिए या फिर चालू रखिए. So I knew it that people are going to question you, but I was not bothered. I didn't have time to react what people think about me. They started connecting me with political parties. They said कि यार इस पार्टी का आया है, then फिर अरे नहीं नहीं इसका नहीं, दूसरी वाली क्या है, दूसरी वाली नहीं, तीसरी क्या है. So it kept on changing, and suddenly after a moment they realized कि यार ये किसी का नहीं है, कहीं नहीं जाने वाला है, इधर ही है, करते रहने दो. And a lot of people said कि यार अभी देखना एक आध 10 दिन में बंद हो जाएगा और 15 दिन में बंद हो जाएगा. It's been I think 3.5-4 years till now also. If you come to my house, you'll always see 400-500 people standing anytime.
Phenomenal. I'm now remembering we interviewed you during the COVID period also. It was virtual interview. And after the interview was done, he asked us to wait, and he switched on his mobile phone. And for the next 5 minutes, messages kept on coming in and in and in. And it was continuing for the next 5 minutes. So really, I mean, the way you stayed motivated throughout the journey to do what you were set out to do was incredible. This was Indian story. Now this comes the global story. You announced that homecoming time, let's bring you all back. Just pray for it will happen. It was about this bold mission where you were bringing people from outside the country. We have a video here. Can we play it? Yeah, but do you remember that mission? Yeah?
हम लोग पिछले 3 महीने से यहाँ फंसे हुए थे. एक्चुअली कोई फ्लाइट्स वगैरह ज़्यादा नहीं जा पा रही थी. फिर बच्चे लोगों ने ट्वीट किया, एटलीस्ट हम लोग 4000 स्टूडेंट थे. बच्चे लोगों ने ट्वीट किया सोनू सर को, और सोनू सर ने बहुत हेल्प की. और आज हम लोग फर्स्ट फ्लाइट लेके वाराणसी जा रहे हैं. तो थैंक यू सो मच सोनू सर.
थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू सर.
We are very thankful to you, sir, Sonu Sood sir, and even in our panic situation, no one helped us. And you took that. Thank you for initiating this, and thank you for bringing back us to India with our happy soul, sir. Thank you very much.
Talk to us about this mission of bringing people from outside India to India.
When I was sending people back to their homes, so constantly those messages were coming. So there was a couple of messages which said, we are medical students, we are stuck in a place called Kyrgyzstan, and we are from India, and please get us back to their homes. So I never been to Kyrgyzstan. I never knew where Kyrgyzstan was. So I yaar, to koi wahan pe connection nahi hai. So I ignored that message, and I was doing my bit in the country. So then I got few messages where they said कि a couple of Indian students have died, so they send me those videos कि sir please आप help कीजिए इनको. So then I thought let me get into this space. So I started using my good offices, and I got to speak to the ambassador there, and they said no, we are not letting any flight land in Kyrgyzstan, and the permissions are not done and all. So I wrote a very emotional email to them. I said, sometimes God gives us a chance to do something right in life, which is sometimes you have to bypass those rules, those regulations, and we can save lives, And I remember it was a long email, and please make it happen. I'll make sure that in 2 hours, I'll make all the students exit from the country. So I got a mail, you'll get only 2 hours to get these people out, so make this happen. So the flight flew from India, and before that, so when I started getting connected with these students, so the students in Kyrgyzstan got to know, okay, Sonu is trying to help them. So they spread my number to everyone. So thousands of messages I started getting, ting, 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 on my phone, please help us, this is my number. And also I said, I can't connect with all of you. So I made group leaders of every college. So, so it was not just Kyrgyzstan, so other places like Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Georgia, Philippines, Russia. So these 6 countries, so a lot of students were all interconnected. They said, ki sir, aap Philippines se bhi nikalo, Georgia se bhi nikalo. So we made groups of all these countries. Once I started getting permission for one country, I got for the other, and slowly we were able to get all these kids out. Correct. And I still meet them. They come to my house, especially on my birthdays. A lot of students come and wish me. So I think, all thanks to all those ambassadors and all those people who really make that happen. And they're back home. They're doctors now.
Fantastic. Incredible story. I mean, bringing people from a place that you have never been, it speaks volume. Any other questions for him? Let's take a couple of questions. Yeah, I have a hand out here.
Thank you.
Next, we'll take a question from a woman. Please.
There'll be plenty of fans, I'm sure. Right. Sonu, we owe our success. I mean, in corporate world, we generally say this to my team as well. We owe our success to our families. Yeah. Right? We are the front face, but there's a lot that goes behind. Yeah. Our families support us. Yeah. Now, I know you've got an extended family pan-India, but how did your family react? You were risking your life. It was most of us were indoors in our house, and you were all there on the road. How did your own family react?
I would like to thank, my wife, both the kids. When I was out and, when I came back and I told them, I'm trying to send all these people back to their homes. So first they were said, ki yaar, bar COVID hai, if you get affected. So I said, no, they're in real bad shape. I have to go out. So when I sent the first bus, I remember there were 10 buses that we had sent to in Bangalore, in Karnataka side. So I was so happy to see those people relieved and as if, they got a new life. So I told my wife that, Sonu, this is just a beginning. I have to make sure that, till every migrant in the country reaches back. So I have to try my best. She was very supportive. Both the sons were very supportive. And they said, we are with you. Just go and make sure it happens. Every day I was out, day, night. So the building where I lived, that the whole society really panicked. He said, "Kya re pakka COVID leke aayega, marwayega sabko." So they, they have their own society groups and all. उन्होंने message डाला कि urgent meeting रखो, और we have to stop him, or otherwise he can't come back to the society. नहीं तो हमारे old father है, old mother है. Obviously, I mean, they were right on that front. So the meeting was called. So with the social distancing, everyone was standing in one corner and एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे थे. And but no one started the topic. तो अभी now who's going to bell the cat? So everyone smiling, hi, sab kaise ho, sab badhiya, haan, sab badhiya. So I knew that, what they wanted. I said, I know why we are all here. You want me not to go out, but there were millions of people on the roads. So I'm trying to help them. Or we should be blessed कि आज हम गेट के इस तरफ हैं. भगवान हमें गेट के उस तरफ कब ला दे हमें पता नहीं चलेगा. So I think I need to go out and please help me. And I think then they realized कि बंदा रुकने वाला नहीं है. तो भेजो. Then they said, and then their people also, some relatives of them, some friends, they knew that, Sonu lives in that building. Arey yaar, Sonu ko bolo, please usko bhejna hai. So they also started getting that help. So they realized that this is not just his mission, this is our mission also. And slowly, everyone became a part of it.
Awesome. You were the first one and then everybody else.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Great. Yeah. Great question, actually. Great question, sir. Another question from a woman. Yeah, please.
Hi. Priya, hi. Thank you. Thank you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah,
hi,
yeah.
So first part is, who is your inspiration, Sonu? I mean, I know you talk about your mother, your father, outside of your mother and father, which is an inspiration for everyone. Who is your inspiration on what you are doing currently? And second part is, when are you doing a next Jodha Akbar or something? I don't want to talk about Dabangg, but I loved you in Jodha Akbar, so when is something like that coming out?
Yeah, thank you so much, Priya. And yes, like you said, my mom and dad are my inspiration. And apart from that, every single individual that I come across, they're my inspiration. All the people who I got connected in the whole process, they inspired me. मुझे याद है कि सारी रात मेरे साथ they used to be at the airport. कई बार I remember हमने एक बार ट्रेन भेजी और हम लोग पानी उनके लिए लेकर जाते थे क्योंकि उनके पास पानी रहे ट्रेन के अंदर. So ट्रेन हमने बैंड्रा से निकली और हमने खूब पानी के बॉक्सेस लेके रखे तो हम पानी के बॉक्सेस डालना भूल गए. तो बोले यार इतनी ट्रेन तो रुकेगी नहीं, इनको पानी कहाँ से जाएगा. सो आई रिमेंबर हमने पालघर में जब ट्रेन रुकी तो हमने एक्स्ट्रा समय ट्रेन रुकवाई. वी वेंट विद द होल टेम्पो टू पालघर. हमने पानी डलवाया. एंड ऑल दोज पीपल हु वर विद मी, आई नेवर न्यू देयर नेम्स. सर सोनू भाई हम भी चलेंगे आपके साथ, हम भी. नाउ दे आर पार्ट ऑफ माई foundation or whatever we do. So they inspired me कि boss हमारे पास गाड़ी भी नहीं थी. They were not didn't have those resources. पर मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ के लिफ्ट लेकर कैसे भी करके पहुंचते थे. And sometimes they used to get beaten by the cops also कि अरे यार यहाँ पे अलाउड नहीं है. डंडे भी पड़ते थे. मेरे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट सीए पंकज, वो बेचारा मेरे साथ आता था, एक बार उसके डंडे पड़ गए पुलिस वालों के. So I think they are my inspirations who became a part of my mission. And even till today, as we speak, they are still connected, and we still try to change lives. So this is what's happening.
She had a follow-up question.
Follow-up question regarding
Jodha
movies.
Akbar.
Yeah, Jodha Akbar was, very special. I love doing movies, and in the whole process, I must have done 90 to 100 movies in my career in all 10, 12 languages that I've done. But somewhere I always felt कि यार मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँ. I'm being an engineer, I'm a technical guy also. So I remember when I was shooting with Mani Ratnam sir for Yuva, he said, you want to become a director or what? You have this technical side, you're sitting with a camera, you're sitting with everyone trying to know about it. I go, no, sir, I'm an actor where I'm going to become a director. So in the whole process, what I learned knowingly, unknowingly, being a technical guy, so I wanted to direct a film, which I thought. So I've just completed writing, directing, producing, and acting.
Yeah, the name of the movie is Fateh.
In Fateh.
I wanted to ask you about it, but you stole my question, ma'am. Thank you. But yeah, please take.
So
go ahead.
I made Fateh, and a lot of my films that I've done, writers have got Filmfare Awards and all these awards also, but those dialogues were written by me. I never took the credit. So मैंने बोला इस बार credit लेता हूँ मैं. So when I wrote Fateh, I made my kids sit in front of me. I said, action picture है, चलो हम लोग कर रहे हैं बड़ा. But why would anyone want to come and see a film in a theater like me? कि let's play a devil's advocate कि क्यों आप मेरी picture में आके देखना चाहोगे? So my younger son Ayan is a very smart guy. He said, Dad, when we go with all our friends and all, we see action, we see this and that. So I said, okay, this is an action film. So what kind of action do you want to see? He said something which we haven't seen on Indian cinema ever. So obviously, our film, I don't have those 200 crore or 300 crore to make a film. But I said, like what? So he said, I want to show you an action sequence. So he got on the thing and he showed me an action sequence from a movie called Kingsman. So that's one single action sequence. There's no cut. So there is no cut. Whole 3.5, 4 minute single action is happening. I like, wow, this is never seen in any film in Indian cinema. I said, I want to do this action sequence. So I started designing the whole action sequence. It took me 3.5, 4 months to design the whole section. I said, I'll get an action film made which people in India will be proud of. Boss, agar action picture bane to aise banne. It took me 2.5 to 3 years. I've been designing the way it has to be shot, the way it has to be narrated, the way it has the whole action sequence. So then I spoke to this guy called Lee Whittaker. He's a guy who shot Fast and Furious, Jurassic Park, Marvel Studios, all films. I said, this is something I want to do in India. He said, Sonu, this is very ambitious. This is beautiful, very tough. But do we have these kind of stunt guys? You want to do an action sequence where you're fighting with 70 to 80 people in one single shot without any cut. So we need all those 70, 80 people very, very good, very, very equipped. If one person goes wrong, the whole thing has to happen again. So I said, no, we will train them. We'll make it happen. We got fighters from abroad. We shot it. Recently, we shot that action sequence. We completed the film. I've been in the post-production. Sound designing is happening in LA and all. The DOP is from Italy. The action director is from abroad. All I can promise you, as we speak now on record, it'll be one of the films that we all will be very proud of. Yeah. Thank
you. Yeah, madam, you had a question. I remember. I'm sorry I went to her without taking the question from you.
Thank you, Sonu. Thank you, Anirban.
Please.
Sonu, sir, it is such a privilege to see you face to face today. One of the biggest fan, probably. And I want to see you as the next James Bond. Okay. And just imagine, I have a hypothetical question for you. You're better than Pierce Brosnan from my eyes, at least. If you get a break as the next James Bond, and you had to choose between that and all the superhero work that you're doing back home, what would you choose, sir?
No, this is, I would love to play James Bond, of course. Films are very, like I said, I've done 90 to 100 movies. It's momentary. You be on the sets. I worked with Jackie Chan also. So we have grown up watching his films. When I was on the sets, I said, yeah, Jackie Chan. We used to practice his stunts. Now with him, he used to cook food for us. Everything was nice. But movies are always very, you get very momentary pleasure out of it. But this is, I feel so happy and blessed. I remember I was on a set on a movie, a very big superstar was next to me, and he held my hand. He said, Ki Sonu Sood ji, we have 2,000 people on the set, junior artists. So when I used to walk on set, they used to be in awe of me, that I have come, I'm there on the set. But when I'm sitting next to you, I see the empathy in their eyes, that, the love that I see in their eyes. I could never see that in their eyes for me. So what you have done is more than movies. Just keep on doing it. You're a blessed person. So yes, of course, this is much, much more special than any James Bond film from Marvel Studios. So right. I want this to continue, and I want to play James Bond also.
You should be. I'm waiting to see. I have a real question for you.
Great question.
I have a real question. I'm from the technology world. I'm from Kyndryl. That's the title sponsor of this event. Thank you, ETCIO. How are you leveraging technology for this mass outreach? Are you looking into Gen AI to connect with your people who you have served, who you want to serve? Are you leveraging technology for your foundation, or you want to do that? I want to hear your thoughts on that, sir.
Now she has plugged her product.
So you are in the technology world, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm going to get your number. I'm going to make you part of a foundation.
Job done. The investment justified. ROI delivered. This is why you should partner with ETCIO. Bala would be very happy of you. Please, thank you very much.
So what's your name?
Sir, I'm Maushami. I am in the technology world for the last 25 years. I've worked for the world's largest technology giants like Microsoft, Google, and now with Kyndryl, and I was also with IBM.
Maushami, what I think, the best thing of today's evening is I met you.
Wow! I'm over the moon. Thank you, Sonu. But we must talk about how you are leveraging technology. And if you're not, you should.
No, I'm trying to do my bit, but like I said, I'm not as good as you. But now, since I have Maushami, so I'll make sure we are the best.
The one-on-one meeting has been delivered too now.
Thank you, Sonu. This is on record. I need this video. Thank you.
And who knows, tomorrow we are shooting on a James Bond set, and Maushami bole, dekha, Sonu, maine bola tha, tabhi hua hai.
Fantastic. One more video I wanted to show you. Can we play the next?
मैं गांव में बच्चों को पढ़ाता हूँ. हमारे गांव में कनेक्टिविटी का बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता था, तो ऑनलाइन लर्निंग हमारे लिए बहुत दूर की बात होती थी. मैंने न्यूज़पेपर में देखा कि सोनू सर ने कुछ जगह पर टावर लगाया है, तो हमने सोनू सर को रिक्वेस्ट की कि हमारी हेल्प करें. टावर लग चुका है. सब बच्चे बिना किसी प्रॉब्लम के डिजिटल एजुकेशन का पूरा फायदा ले पा रहे हैं.
What a raw visual of digital transformation, making towers. तो आपने towers बनाए हैं, अपने aeroplanes चलाए, trains चलाए, buses चलाए, लाखों करोड़ों fans हैं आपके. आप मंत्री क्यों नहीं हैं?
वो देखो, मैम ने बोला नहीं, कभी नहीं. मैं आपको बताता हूँ, when I was, I got offers from everyone. I remember when I was also in talks to become a chief minister of a state. Okay, sir, मैं क्या नहीं, मेरे को acting करनी है. You want what I'm doing? मुझे अभी किसी से पूछना नहीं पड़ता. So if I get into some space, तो मैं कुछ करने लगूंगा, अरे भैया ये नहीं कर सकते आप, ये नहीं. So I don't want to be answerable to anyone. अरे नहीं, don't worry. So if you don't want to take that much of stress, be a deputy CM or something, or be a minister or something. So I said, two things don't excite me. One is power and one is money. I've surpassed that stage, and I would love to be. in a space where, you know, I can do a lot of things. They said, नहीं आप अच्छा काम कर सकते हो, which is good. I know when if you are in power, or in case you are a mantri or a big guy, you can do a lot of stuff. But somehow I was not prepared. The whole process, the whole journey, I felt somewhere that message was coming कि boss जो तू कर रहा है बंद ना हो जाए, करता रहे. You don't need any political party to get into that space. You'll be unstable, and this was too precious to take that risk. Yeah. Who knows? After a couple of years, I will try to get into that. But right now, I have to make many movies and bring many more smiles.
Fantastic. We got a queue. There might be a chance, but yeah, I think I'm running out of the time. One thing I want to ask you before I leave the stage with a grand salute for you. I mean, we see it. You deserve it. आपको किसी ने हेल्प किया था लाइफ में जब आपको ज़रूरत था, और ऐसा कोई आपको यादें है आपका कि हाँ जब मुझे ज़रूरत थी, that was the person or that was the instance that really motivated me?
मुझे लगता है कि मुझे हर रोज़ कोई ना कोई हेल्प करता है. मैं बिना हेल्प के तो लोगों की मदद कर ही नहीं सकता. अगर मैंने फ़्लाइट भेजनी थी तो किसी ना किसी ने हेल्प किया होगा मुझे to get those permissions done. That's why I was able to help. A TT, a railway guy, everyone was somewhere connected in that kaddi to make that happen. So when I came to Mumbai, I never knew a single soul, but somewhere someone must have given me a chance to be a part of an ad campaign or some kind of a thing. So I think without that, you can never achieve your goals. But like I said, मेरी ज़िंदगी का जो moral hai, which I want to share with every one of you. So I used to speak to my manager, he's here only, Tushar. So I used to say कि यार तुषार हम लोग इतनी फिल्म्स करते हैं, हम ब्रांड्स क्यों नहीं साइन कर रहे यार, इतने बड़ी बड़ी एड्स बनती हैं, हमें साइन करने चाहिए, इट विल हेल्प अस. ही सेड कि सोनू भाई आपको पसंद बड़े सब लोग करते हैं, पर क्या है ना कई बार सिंस यू प्ले नेगेटिव रोल्स, सो कई बार वो इमेज के साथ जाता नहीं है. सो दैट्स व्हाट द कंपनी से ब्रांड से. मैं कहा अच्छा कोई बात नहीं यार. सो व्हेन द होल कोविड थिंग हैपेंड, सो ऑल दीज ब्रांड्स जो 10-15 साल से मैंने कोशिश की होगी उनसे मिलने की, या उन्होंने कई बार बात चलती होगी, आई साइंड ऑल दोज ब्रांड्स. बट आई मेड अ कंडीशन कि बॉस हम लोग जुड़ेंगे बट हमें किसी की हेल्प करना है. जब मैंने मोबाइल फ़ोन का ब्रांड साइन किया, वी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड 5,500 मोबाइल फ़ोन्स. जब मैंने स्टील ब्रांड साइन किया, वी मेड हाउसेस. जब मैंने लाइट ब्रांड साइन किया, वी लेट क्लोज टू 16 to 17 विलेजेस. तो जो भी हम लोग कर पाए, so I made all the brands also a part of my whole journey, and I think वो दुआओं ने made everything happen. I'm sitting here today because कोई ना कोई वहाँ पे दुआ दे रहा था. Like another lines which my mom used to say कि सोनू कभी अपनी मुट्ठी खोल कर तो देख, शायद तेरी हाथ की लकीरों में किसी की जान बचाना लिखा हो.
Wow.
So I feel हम लोग सोचते नहीं, we wait कि यार एक दिन मैं जब बड़ा हो जाऊँगा ना तो मैं बहुत हेल्प करूँगा. I want to be rich, famous, influential, तब मैं हेल्प करूँगा. It's not, either it will happen today or it will never happen. So, yeah. So, want to give an example of this guy who's, sometimes I, talked about this guy who's a guy who distributes those milk packets, दूध हमारी बिल्डिंग में हर फ्लैट के सामने पैकेट रखता है, आज भी रखता है. तो उसका काम, his name is गुड्डू, और उसका काम है कि जितना भंगार होता है, रद्दी होती है, सब न्यूज़पेपर्स इकट्ठे करता है, बेचता है, आज भी बेचता है. मैंने, because he's always present at my gates, मैंने उसको बोला कि गुड्डू, you are a part of the foundation also. कोई भी लोग आते हैं, when I am traveling, now I am here, कोई ना कोई मेरे घर के बाहर खड़ा होगा, उससे बात करना है, उससे डिटेल्स लेनी है, उसको we have made these forms where what's your name, number, problem क्या है, education है, medical है, so they write all those details. Then we get in touch with them. He is also saving so many lives. So इतने सालों से जो 20-22 साल से दूध बांट रहा था, आज जो किसी बिल्डिंग में जाता है उसको लोग खाना खिलाते हैं कि गुड्डू जी आइए, गुड्डू जी बैठिए, गुड्डू जी बैठिए. तो वही गुड्डू जो बेचारा आज भी दूध का पैकेट बेचता है, आज भी रद्दी उठाता है, he has got so much of respect in the whole area. It's happening because उसके साथ दुआएं जुड़ी हुई हैं. So all the people here sitting, I know you must be doing some great work, कर रहे होंगे, but don't make it seasonal कि मैं अपने बर्थडे पे ही किसी की मदद करूँगा या मैं नया साल होगा तभी करूँगा. It can happen every day. आप बाहर जाएंगे तो हो सकता है हम लोग 2 लोग मिले और हम लोग किसी को पढ़ा दें, किसी की एजुकेशन करवा दें, किसी का इलाज करवा दें. So this is my learning in life, that it has to be an everyday job. you just have to find those few seconds to pick up your phone and call someone you know, because I'm sure कि आपके फ़ोन में इतने contacts तो होंगे कि अगर आप किसी को एक फ़ोन रिक्वेस्ट करें किसी ना किसी की ज़िंदगी बदल सकती है. तो बस वो एक बार फ़ोन डायल करना ज़रूरी है, उस कॉन्टैक्ट को ढूंढना ज़रूरी है और ज़िंदगियाँ तो अपने आप बदल ही जाएंगी यार.
Fantastic, great session. I would want to take a few questions, but I don't have the time to do that. What I would request you all to do is, we need to give him a grand salute for what he has done and what he is doing. Would request you to give a standing ovation to this man.
Thank you so much.
And what you can also do is you can join the cause. We are running a fundraiser tomorrow, and you can donate, and all the proceeds will go straight to Sonu Sood Foundation. That was my time on the stage. I'll get down and I'll join you for the standing ovation.
Thank you so much, Anirban. Thank you so much again. Now that we have Sonu here, please don't sit right now. इन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छी बात कही है. It's all about seeking blessing and spreading it out to everybody. आज हमने शुरुआत करी थी connections के साथ. I think the biggest connection is of humanity that you have showed. I want everyone to please connect your hands to one another everywhere together. Everybody, let's connect every single person to just one mean, that is humanity, and together here, because no matter what happens, a good day or a bad day, a great day or a sad day, a day where you need somebody or a day you don't need, what really matters is the power of humanity connected as one. So what I want you all to do is, I'm going to hold Sir's hand here, and when I say 1, 2, 3, go, the only word I want you all to say कि आज से ना कोशिश नहीं होगी, फतेह होगी. Okay? So in 3, 2, 1, I want you all to say Fateh loudly and raise your hand together in 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Can we have a loudest round of applause for Sonu Sood again? Thank you so much again. Before I let you go, that's the QR code that's flashing in the background right now. If you wish to donate something, which I'm sure you want to, please donate something. But for now, I'm going to request 2 gentlemen to please join me on stage right now. Please welcome on stage Head Business Strategy for Economic Times, Sabaz Khan on stage right now, along with the product head, Gaurav Srivastava on stage right now to present a check of 3 lakh to Sonu Sood Foundation right now. And can we have a loudest round of applause, please? कोशिश ना हार होगी, आज से बस फतेह होगी. जी हाँ, the anthem of us together. Thank you so much. And now I am going to request the gentleman to come and hand over a memento to Sir. May I please request Group CIO for Ola, Navendu Agarwal, to please join me on stage right now and fill the stage. Gentlemen, with a token of gratitude from us at ETCIO, and can we have a loudest round of applause, please? Ji haan, you have to open. Yes, that's the beauty of a memento, right? Enhances the smile all around.
I would like to say something. So basically at Ola, we believe this is India's era. And it is on our youth to make things happen. They have to work hard with passion and technology. But it has to come with empathy. And you symbolizes that. So I'm really proud to present this. And thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you so very much. Or jate jate, I have to ask only about 2 questions to you. First thing, the best of India is among us. And how was your experience being here at ETCIO Annual in Goa?
Yeah, first of all, thank you so much for this beautiful evening. All I can say is, this is not getting over. This is the beginning of a beautiful journey together. मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं आप में से कितने लोगों के साथ जुड़ पाऊंगा या जुड़ेंगे, but I would like to connect with all of you. All I can say, you, from whichever city you are, from whichever space you are, from whichever brand you are, from whichever family you are, Sonu Sood and Sood Foundation is always there with you. Anything anyone needs anywhere in your city, village, or you know anyone, please connect with you have your connections. Please connect with me to anyone. I'll try my level best to make that change happen. Together we can. So ये शाम सिर्फ बातों से नहीं खत्म होनी चाहिए, किसी की जिंदगी बचाने से, किसी की जिंदगी बदलने से शुरू होनी चाहिए. So I'm just a phone call away, very much approachable. A lot of people have my numbers. Please connect with me for anything that I can do for whomsoever. Yeah, thank you so much.
Give me a loudest round of applause, please. इसीलिए शायद एक ख्याल मन में आ रहा है कि किसी ने सच कहा है, बस कर्म तुम्हारा कल होगा, और अगर कर्म में सच्चाई है तो कर्म कहाँ निष्फल होगा. हर संकट का हल होगा, वो आज नहीं तो कल होगा. And he is definitely the face of humanity in the world. So thank you so very much. A loudest round of applause for Sonu Sood, everybody, right here. Thank you again.
Thank you so much. You know, on this note, I would like to say a dialogue from Fateh, which I wrote, which I think everyone will relate to it. कि जब हम बोलते हैं कि बॉस मदद करनी चाहिए लोगों की, लोग बोलते हैं कि यार मेरी हैसियत नहीं है बॉस अभी करने की. सो उस पे मैं लाइन कहना चाहूँगा कि हैसियत भी आसमान जैसी होनी चाहिए, हैसियत भी आसमान जैसी होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि ज़मीन कितनी भी महंगी हो कोई ना कोई खरीद ही लेता है.
And you know, you really want to see the stardom and the love that he gets. He stays back road of Lokhandwala, and I moved in to the next apartment, and the month of August ka mahina tha shayad, and I was just moving in and I saw a whole road full of people just to say that you are there because of the love and we are there because of you. And that was a beautiful sight. So thank you again, Sonu, for the love. And can we have the loudest cheer once again for Sonu Sood, everybody? Because aaj se Fateh hogi. Thank you again. Have a beautiful one. Thank you so much again. And I request you all to please be seated.